Okay, so we want to get started with this project, creating a meme using Google Drawings. And the first step is simply creating the document. Now, we haven't gotten to know Drive all that well yet, so some of this stuff is going to be pretty introductory. The first step in creating this project is simply creating the document. And as a good habit, whenever you create a document for a specific class, create it in that specific folder. So if you're working from any one of the global studies classes, you probably have something that looks like this. You have a folder that says classroom. When you open that up, you'll see one that says global studies. Go to open it up there and make your document in there. For Mr. Riley's class, you probably have a folder that says Geotech, period 1 or 7 or whatever it is, your last name, comma, first name. Go to open it up there, and that's where you're going to create your document. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go to New. So here's your Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, so word processing, spreadsheets, and presentations. But we're going to go into More, and we're going to find Google Drawings. Now, once we're in Google Drawings, first things first, whenever you create a new document, whether it's a doc, slides, spreadsheet, drawing, form, website, whatever it is, we're going to rename it. So for purposes of this, it should look something like this. With a dash and do last name, comma, first. Okay? That's a good habit of mine. So when we go back into the folder, you'll see that this document pops up like so. Here's the name, and it's open here like so. Just a quick introduction to Google Drawings. First things first, if you ever need to resize this, there's a few different ways to do that. You can go into page setup. It's the standard is here. You can go 4 inches by 3, 16 by 9, 16 by 10, or make it custom. So for instance, you could do simply something like 8.5 by 11, and that's your standard letter size page, something like that. You can also, down at this bottom corner, you see these lines. You can actually take this and reshape your document to fit like so. That's probably the method you're going to be using for this project today, but we'll come back to that at a later point. Another quick thing to be aware of is the background. Right now, you have a transparent background. That means it's a checkerboard, and that signifies that it's transparent. If you ever download it, that means whatever is behind your image will be transparent. There won't be like a white background or anything like that. To change that, you can just do the snake bite, the 2-finger tap on the just the background here. It'll bring you this these options here. Just go to background. You can select any one of these colors like so. There's your background. Probably be useful for later projects, posters, and things like that. But for this project, we're going to keep it transparent. Okay, that's your brief introduction to Google Drawings, how and where to make your drawing.